How to log in to TonKeeper Wallet account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign in to your TonKeeper Wallet account. So let us begin. First of all, open up your TonKeeper. If you don't have it, you can install it from Google Play Store or App Store. After you've installed it, you will see two options. First is to create a new account. The second is to import the existing wallet. Now, if you don't have an account, you can go to create new wallet. If you already have an account and you want to log in, tap on import existing wallet. That's what we'll do right now. Tap on import existing wallet and here you will see a lot of options. Now you can choose whichever fits the best for you. For this video purposes, we'll be using existing wallet. So tap on existing wallet and right here you will need to enter your recovery phase. Now simply use the recovery phase that you initially saved while you created the account. You can paste it directly here if you have copied it, and after you paste it, simply tap on continue at the bottom, and after that you'll need to create a new password for your TonKeeper. After you create a new password, you'll get logged right into your account, and that is basically how you do it. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more, and